name is Mrs. Alexander, and today we'll be reviewing suffixes. This is part 2 of the review for year 3. All right, let's look at some words. You notice something about these words? Let's take a closer look at things. First of all, let's remember that a base word is a plain word with nothing added to it. A suffix is a letter or a group of letters added to that base word. Code it with a box. A base word plus a suffix is a derivative. Now, do you notice those suffixes in these derivatives? Let's figure out what they are. In that first word, what do you see? That's right, ISH. Let's look at the next one. EN. What is the suffix in the next word? Good job, it was a Y. And the last one? That's correct, LY. Now we're going to talk about these suffixes individually. Ish. Vowel suffix ISH. Like reddish. It means like or somewhat. N. Vowel suffix EN. Like wooden or sweeten. It means made of or to make. Ly. Consonant suffix ly. Like safely. Means like or how. E. Vowel suffix y. Like sunny. Means having. Okay. At this derivative, tell me, what is the suffix? That's correct. The suffix is ISH-ish. So let's go ahead and code this word. I see a vowel followed by 2 consonants in the word. That means it's a closed syllable, so we'll code it with a, that's right, breathe. So let's read the word. Pink-ish. Read it, pinkish. Remember that I might be making a little bit of a different sound because that NK, that is a nasal sound. Pinkish. Let's go to the next word. Tell me what the suffix is. That's correct, it was N. What is the syllable type for this word? It's also closed. So read that word to me. That's right, let's read it together. Soften. Good job. All right, here's our next one. What is the suffix in that first word? That's right, it's a Y. Remember that Y is making an E sound? Now, let's go ahead and find out what kind of a syllable this is. Did you say vowel pair? Good job. Great. So now read this word. Sleepy. Let's look at the next word. Don't get tricked by that QU. They go together, remember? First of all, let's look at the suffix. What is our suffix in this word? LY. All right. We know that we're not going to talk about this U when we figure out what kind of a syllable it is. So let's go ahead and look at the other vowel, the I. What kind is it? Yep. Oh, don't forget there's a CK there. That's right, the CK goes together, it makes one sound. And then this I is closed syllable. So read the word. Quickly. Good job. Okay, let's take a look at some more words. What is the suffix in this first word? Right, it's ish. Tell me, what do you notice about this word? First thing I notice is that SH, and that SH is a consonant cluster, so we'll underline that. Next thing I notice, what kind of a syllable is it? Did you say a vowel R syllable? Good job. Now, read this word. Read it with me. Short-ish. Good job. The next word, what kind of suffix do you see there? N. Correct. And what do you notice about this word? What kind of a syllable is it? Yes, it's a vowel pair. Now go ahead and read that word to me. Wooden. Good. Let's look at the next word. Tell me the suffix. Y. Now, what kind of a syllable is that word? Did you say vowel R? Good job. So let's go ahead and read it. Dirty. Last word. What is the suffix? That's correct. It was an ly. And finally, what type of syllable is this word? Yes, it's closed. Mark it with a breve. Read that word. Gladly. Great job. Remember, a suffix is a letter or a group of letters added to a base word coded with a box. Vowel, suffix ish, means like or somewhat. Vowel, suffix en, means made over to make. Consonant, suffix ly, means like or how. And vowel, suffix y, means having. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you have a great day. I'll see you next time. Bye.